And then from there, we'll walk back around this way. I'll show you some of the areas, like our glass house. One of the questions. The white bales there are the milk jugs. Of course, you see them outside the four walls. Right now, we're still in the stages of some construction, and we can't store this inside yet. But once we get the approval from the city, we'll be able to do that. This is some of our finished goods right here as far as our what we call cardboard, our OCC. That's what we My thing is, I always come out every day. What I do is I go each other. It depends on how far the material is. Bottle caps and plastic caps. That's nothing. There's no way to ever get all that out. The main thing that I look at and that we look at is the size of the glass, how big of a piece it is, because that's what they use when we sell it. That's what they're looking for. Glass is really, really tough. It's a tough market, especially coming from recycling facilities to sell. But one thing we're doing is we're getting pretty dang on good at making it marketable. Yeah. Now I know AB had talked about bringing glass. It's not something that I would say we just encourage, but if it's in the stream, we take it. And the reason why is glass is very abrasive. Glass cuts through the hardest steel. Yeah. It's like no other cutting tool that you can ever imagine. And so it tends to damage the equipment. And so I have to work a little bit harder, a little faster. I have to make the maintenance team constantly go around and monitor all of the lines, the transfer chutes, all of those things of that nature to make sure that there's no holes in it. Because you do tend to get holes. How quick do you get those holes? It may be in a month. We store our aluminums inside here, of course, because that's one of our most valuable commodities. A lot of security. Constant security here. You can see out there on the top. Up there on the top there, that's where all the plastics and the rigids and the aluminums and all that come through there. And what they're doing is they're sorting and cleaning it before it's dropped off into the bunkers there. Those are the... No. They're looking for the material itself, the composition of it. So, that's able to operate. It's been doing this a lot of years. So let's head back this way. It's all recycled. Okay. Everyone come on in. And please feel free to take pictures in here. That's fine. We'll wait for everyone. After the plywood was put in, everything is recycled. The only thing new was glue and staples. Everything else was going to go in the trash, and they reclaimed it and turned it into art. And as soon as everyone gets in, I want to tell you a little bit about this. Everything.
这个是废物利用。
哦，这个是空空啦，那个 cap 那的东西耶。
废物利用。没错。
Once we complete it, hopefully next month, we're going to have two large, you came maybe 1 month early. That we could have done all this in air conditioning. Eventually we'll have 2 big screen televisions here, and we have 30 cameras out in the plant, so we can show you what's going on up in the deck safely, air conditioned environment. We're just not quite open yet, having a very green manner with nothing but reused materials. So, as you can see, the ceiling is CDs and record albums that have been melted to look like flowers. If you step back, from any of these, from the end wall, and just look at them, it looks like a beautiful one. Let me do it the way the artist did it for me. He said, start over here in this corner with the waste management albums, that printed albums that were going to be thrown away, and CDs that were going to be thrown away. And instead of recycling them, grinding them up, sending them to other countries to be melted, they reuse them.